Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Ani. So, today we are going to do yearly prediction for Aries for the year 2026. This is a general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description of this video and also on my channel's info. In this reading, we will cover the overall energy for 2026 for Aries, along with love, relationship, career, finances, and health. Okay, so let's see what do the cards have. We'll see what are the challenges, what is the guidance, and what will be the probable outcome. Okay, at the end we will also take a guiding message, so please do stay till the end. Okay, so let's see what do the cards have for Aries for 2026. What is the overall energy we have for Aries for 2026? What's the overall energy we have for Aries for 2026? Overall energy for Aries for 2026. Overall energy for Aries for 2026. Okay, all right. Now let's see what are the challenges Aries will have. All right. Please clarify Seven of Swords as the challenges. Please clarify Seven of Swords as the challenges for Aries. Okay. All right. Let's see what's the guidance we have for Aries. What is the guidance we have for Aries for 2026? What's the guidance we have for Aries for 2026? What is the guidance we have for Aries? Okay. All right. Please clarify the Devil card. The guidance. What is this? Cards are just falling off. Wow. Hold on, guys. All right. Please clarify the Devil. What is happening, Aries? Dealing with so much, is it? You need so much of guidance and clarity. Okay, please clarify the Devil card as the guidance for Aries. Alright. And now the outcome. Please tell me the outcome for Aries 2026. Outcome energy for Aries for 2026. Outcome energy for Aries for 2026. Outcome energy for Aries for 2026. All right. Please clarify Four of Pentacles as the outcome for Aries. Four of Pentacles as the outcome for Aries. Four of Pentacles as the outcome for Aries. One more, please. Okay. Wow. All right. So, bottom of the deck, we have the Two of Pentacles. So, bottom of the deck energy is basically your energies right now, or the energies subconsciously you are having. Okay, you are dealing with it lately. You may not have been sharing it with everyone or others, but this is what is running. So you are not able to decide on certain things. Maybe for some of you it can be issue in creating balance, maybe in your work life, in your personal life. Okay, there is a lot of things happening and you're trying your best to balance the things, but because of too much of things to take care of, you are somewhere overthinking. Okay, you are just trying to make different strategies on how I can create a balance between so much what I am handling. Also there, it is causing you that emotional emotional turmoil kind of thing, ki sometimes you feel too low, sometimes you feel good, sometimes you feel low, that kind of thing is happening because there is a lot of thing you are dealing, and because of that there is anxiety, there is overthinking and constant planning and strategy kind of energy, that this is okay, this is how I need to focus on, or how I need to balance. But you try that, but that doesn't work out, and then you start something else, trying to create balance basically. It can be an indecisive thing or energy also. For some of you are not able to decide how you can prioritize thing and what is the thing you need to keep on priority. Okay, that is also I am getting for you, Aries. Okay, and the overall energy for you in 2026 is basically to listen to your intuition. Okay, this energy may continue, for you. Sorry, this energy may continue for you in 2026 of trying to create balance, and because of that you may still have some kind of mood swings. Sometimes you may feel low, sometimes you will feel good, but you have to do some meditation. अगर आप नहीं कर रहे हो, so please do some meditation, and अपने आप को आप hydrated रखिए, because emotions are it's related to water energy. Okay, so water elements. Okay, so उस तरह से आप that will help you to keep yourself calm down. Okay, because our body has much of the water element, right? So it will help you to manage your emotions. Okay, I also see that during the year when you are dealing with so much and trying to create balance, something will be revealed to you, and by that you will have much more clarity on what you have to focus on. Now this is the overall energy. It can be in your workplace, you will get to know something which is not disclosed to you yet, something which is which needs to be revealed. A secret has to come out. Okay, which will give you much more clarity about how you should take your next step, or decide the next thing. Okay, in your relationship, also in your health, take care of your health basically. As I said, don't stress. Okay, try to keep yourself calm by some meditation exercises, do some grounding exercises, keep yourself hydrated, take care of your diet also is what I am seeing. Don't, if you are you need to basically create balance. If you are every day if you are eating outside food, it's not good for health, right? And if you will if you are kind of keeping yourself only to salads, then it may not provide you all the required nutrients, right? So just need to create balance. Okay, just try to focus on that also. And also, as I said, something needs to be revealed. Okay, health wise I don't see much issue, but yeah, you have to take care of your emotional health basically, I would say. Okay, rather than instead of focusing too much on physical health, which is also important, but emotional health is also equally important, right? So don't neglect that, don't ignore it. Just try to create balance between so many things you are handling, and keep yourself calm. Okay, don't get into aggressive things. Just meditation is required for you. Somehow I'm getting it again and again. All right, now the obstacles here for you Aries is, in your workplace, I see that you have to be very confidential with your creative things. Okay, आप अगर आप किसी आप if you're in some kind of profile or in some kind of position where you are making some strategies, some plans, important decisions regarding your job or organization. Okay, so don't share your important things with everyone. Okay, keep your confidential things to yourself, important things to yourself. Take care of your important documents. Okay, your if you are into strategy planning and all that thing, so try to keep your next move to yourself. Okay, because there are chances that people somebody may try to take the credit of your work. Okay, because I see that there is this energy of not being secure. Okay, somebody may have some insecurities from you, and that person may try to take advantage of your kindness. Okay, that is also I'm getting. For some of you, I see that you might feel insecure during the year in your work life, and you have to be more creative. Okay, try to be upgrade your skills, try to learn certain new things which is required as per your profile, as in whatever position you are. Try to upgrade your knowledge, upgrade your skills in that, and you have to work towards your goal with passion. Okay, don't let any kind of fear overpower you, don't let that insecurities come on your way, but you have to be passionate. Okay, you will be getting more opportunities. You need to, अगर आप passionately काम करोगे, you will definitely get the result, you will definitely see the growth I am seeing. Okay, so just try to upgrade your knowledge. Don't trust anyone blindly. Keep your important things to yourself. Don't let your fear overpower you. Be passionate, upgrade yourself, upgrade your skills, upgrade your knowledge, and use it for your own growth. Okay, in your health, I see, as I said, mainly in your health, I see that you need to create take care of your emotional health. Also, do some exercise. I'm sorry, be passionate, do some exercise, and meditation, as I said, is what I am seeing for you mainly. Now, when it comes to your relationships, I see that, sorry, sorry, when it comes to your relationship, I see that, if there are some kind of misunderstanding between you and your partner, if you're already in a relationship, or you're already in a committed relationship, so if there is any kind of misunderstanding, you have to resolve it, you have to communicate it. Okay, don't just sit over it and let it resolve. Don't think that wo apne aap theek ho jayega ya jo bhi hai. No, you have to communicate, you have to convey what has happened, and how you can make things better. Okay, you have to work on that relationship to make it better if there is any kind of misunderstanding. I see during the year ड्यूरिंग द ईयर यू नीड टू थोड़ा सा हो सकता है, अगर अभी नहीं है तो हो सकता है ऐसा कोई हो सकती है ऐसी कोई सिचुएशन जहाँ पे थोड़ा सा मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हो. इट कैन बी फॉर सम बिकॉज ऑफ अ थर्ड पार्टी ऑल्सो, आई एम गेटिंग फॉर सम ऑफ यू. इट कैन बी अ थर्ड पार्टी, मे बी अ फैमिली का कोई मेंबर आके थोड़ा सा कुछ ऐसे बात कर दे जिसकी वजह से मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हो जाए, मिसकम्युनिकेशन हो जाए. सो अगर ऐसा कुछ है, सो ट्राई टू रिजॉल्व इट. ओके, डोंट लेट इट ग्रो. ऑलराइट, उस पे बात करके आप see, you and your partner are one team. Okay, you are not in opposite teams, right? So keep that in mind and resolve the issues. All right, that is also I'm getting for you. Now the guidance here for you is as I said, don't let your fear overpower you. Okay, आप अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आप बंधे हुए हो, you cannot do anything from on this situation, and things are not in your hand, you have to come out of that energy. Okay, everything is in your hand. Whenever you want, you can set yourself free. Take that step. Okay, take that leap of faith. Trust the universe. There is this new beginning waiting for you, but you have to take that step. Okay, that is also I'm getting. You have to work on your emotion, as I said. You need to communicate. Okay, जो भी जिस वजह से भी मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग है, मिसकम्युनिकेशन, you have to speak and release your freezed emotion. Okay, communicate करने से वो होगा. You have to also I see, drop the past. अगर कोई बैगेज आप लेके चल रहे हो, पास्ट इश्यूज का, पास्ट ट्रॉमास, पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस, किसी भी तरह का कोई बैगेज अगर आप लेके चल रहे हो, तो यू नीड टू ड्रॉप दैट ऑफ. ट्रस्ट योर इंट्यूशन, लिसन टू योर इंस्टिंक्ट, टेक योर मूव with proper planning and strategy. Don't, as I said, don't trust anyone blindly. Don't just jump into any conclusion for anything or any situation. Okay, try to understand the things. Immaturely आपको डिसीजन नहीं लेना है, बहुत सोच समझ के चीज़ों को देखते हुए, समझते हुए डिसीजन लेना है. एंड फॉर सम ऑफ यू it will also embark a new beginning. Okay, also that is what I'm getting. Also I see that you have to be passionate. As I said, you have to be passionate again. Whatever it is, you need to, maybe agar aap if you want to convey your feelings to someone, and you're not able to do so, you're not doing so for whatever fears, you are waiting for, you are just afraid, I don't know what will be the outcome, I don't know how the person will react. No, you don't have to do that. Just be mature enough to understand how you want to convey and take that step. Okay, also I am saying that you need to be, again I'm saying, you have to be passionate, you have to set boundaries, you have to have that foresightedness. आप थोड़ा सा आगे का प्लान करते हुए सोच के you have to move on in your life, be it your relationship, be it in your career, be it in your health. आपको थोड़ा बैलेंस करते हुए चीज़ों को आगे का ध्यान रखते हुए कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप अपनी हेल्थ को अभी इग्नोर करोगे, सो लेटर ऑन इट्स नॉट गुड, राइट? सो you need to take care of everything, have that foresightedness and start taking action, all right, for the things which are important for you. Everything is in your hand, you are not nothing can bind you, okay? So whenever you want, you can remove that obstacle, that chain which you think has or is tying you. You can set yourself free and come out of that stuck energy, of that heavy energy, that heavy emotion, that thing which you think is holding you back. You can set yourself free whenever you want. Just take that step. And sometimes you have to be in that authoritative position, right? Ki I will take the stand for myself. Agar koi mere liye stand nahi le raha hai, to I'll take that stand for myself, right? So that is also the energy I'm getting. Wherever you need to speak, you think you have to take a stand for yourself, you have to speak for yourself, do that, all right? That is also I'm getting for you. Now the outcome here is, things will work out in your favor. All you have to do is you have to as I said, again it is coming that you have to act. You have to take that step. You have to best utilize your resources, all right? Maybe if in your workplace you have 4 team members, okay, but you are not managing them properly, so you will not get the outcome or the expected result within the expected timeline, because you are not managing them properly, right? So you have to best utilize your resources. That was just an example. So that is how you have to work on it. Also, I see that you will have to create balance. For some of you, I see that you might be given by end of the situation or end of a particular situation you are dealing, you might also be given an authoritative position, okay, where you are the one who is going to decide how the things will move and people will follow, okay? That is also I am seeing. Again, I said something will be revealed to you, and because of that so many things will change. Maybe you will be given a better position where you will be influencing people and you will be guiding them, or and people will listen to you basically, okay? That authority, you will be able to create balance, all right? उस तरह की एनर्जी है. अब आप थोड़ा सा इनसिक्योर फील कर सकते हो इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर फाइनेंसेस, और आप थोड़ा सा अपने इन्वेस्टमेंट्स के लिए आप बहुत ज़्यादा केयरफुल रहोगे कि आई डोंट वांट टू इन्वेस्ट अननेसेसरली. तो दैट इज़ गुड. अगर आप कहीं इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो तो प्रॉपर एनालाइज करके चीज़ों को, सिचुएशन को एनालाइज करके आप इन्वेस्ट करिए. वॉट एवर इन योर रिलेशनशिप, अगर आप किसी चीज़ को होल्ड ऑन करके रखा है ना अपने, तो यू नीड टू रिलीज इट, ओके? यू नीड टू सेट इट फ्री. इट विल हेल्प यू टू बी फ्री, ऑल राइट? उस तरह की एनर्जी भी मुझे दिख रही है. Something is going to turn in your favor. It is maybe in your workplace, as I said, आपको कुछ authoritative position मिल सकती है. There is a promotion, there is a recognition, reward coming your way. I see there is growth coming in. Definitely there is acknowledgement coming in, which will ensure your growth, your sorry, your movement, I mean, towards like a promotion kind of thing, right? उस तरह की energy भी is I'm getting for you, Aries, all right? So just try to keep yourself calm. Don't take any aggressive decisions, and बहुत सोच समझ के सिचुएशन को समझते हुए आपको डिसीजन लेना है, मूव ऑन करना है. टेक दैट नेक्स्ट स्टेप, ट्रस्ट योर इंट्यूशन, टेक दैट लीप ऑफ फेथ. जो भी हैवीनेस है, आप अगर कोई पास्ट बैगेज लेके चल रहे हो तो ड्रॉप दैट ऑफ. सिर्फ अपने लेसन पे फोकस करिए एंड ड्रॉप दैट heavy thing, so that your journey ahead will be much lighter, okay? That is what I'm getting. Everything is in your favor. Things will definitely turn out. It's a manifestation card for the outcome. So as I said, you need to best utilize your resources. You have to be passionate. You need to take that action. You have to be in that energy of a magician, right? Magician कैसे होता है कि जैसे वो आता है ना, everybody's eyes are on him, right? कि what he's going to do next, right? So he's always in action, right? Doing this, doing that. So that kind of energy you have to be in, all right? So that whatever opportunities are coming in your way, just grab that and work towards it for your growth, okay? So the message for you, guiding message for you is star and sister. So follow that voice of your soul, all right? So you're not alone. As I said, meditate. अगर आप meditate करोगे ना, so you will be able to connect with yourself. You will be able to connect with the higher self, and उससे आपको बहुत guidance मिलता है, right? So just try to do that. अगर आप मेडिटेशन कर रहे हो बहुत अच्छी बात है. अगर आप नहीं कर रहे हो तो ट्राई टू डू एटलीस्ट फॉर 15 मिनट्स इन अ डे. जब भी आपको टाइम मिले, अर्ली मॉर्निंग, सोने से पहले, एनी टाइम, राइट? बट जस्ट ट्राई टू डू दैट एंड इट विल हेल्प यू टू listen and connect with your own self, all right, and it will also help you to get the answers to your questions, all right. So that is the energy I have for you, 20 for Aries, for you, for you Aries, for 2026. Sorry. So if you have liked it, please do like this video, please claim the positive energy from this reading, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.